Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin with Apple Pay and Trust Wallet. Open the Trust Wallet app and go to the home page. Click on Funds, then select Fund. You'll be taken to a page where, at the top, it should show Apple Pay. If it's visible, simply click on it. If not, don't worry, I'll show you how to switch to Apple Pay. Enter the amount you want to spend. For example, I'm using $15 to buy Bitcoin. Under Payment Method, click to choose your preferred option. On iPhone, you should see both card and Apple Pay. If Apple Pay isn't showing, make sure you've added a card to your Apple Wallet first. You can also select your preferred provider on this page. Click Continue to proceed. Select your country of residence, then click Buy with Apple Pay. You may need to verify the transaction and confirm your identity if you haven't done so already. And that's it. Your Bitcoin purchase via Apple Pay and Trust Wallet is complete. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.